Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to filter contacts in the inbox section. In the inbox section, you can filter your contact in various ways. Right here we have 3 folders. The human folder holds conversations that are handled by humans. These are contacts on live chat. The second one is the bot folder. This holds conversations handled by the bot. The all folder hold both the live chat conversation and bot conversation. You can also search for a contact by its name. You basically need to type in the name of the contact, and it will appear. Another way is to filter based on channels. You can filter Messenger contacts, Instagram contacts, WhatsApp contacts, and so on. You can also filter contacts based on their assigned state, meaning if they are assigned to an admin or not. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.